So if you're like me and currently working on an old Xbox 360, this particular one has the Philips Benq drive. I've tore it apart, and what the main issue was with it was it wasn't reading a disc. Originally the tray was damaged and it wouldn't actually eject properly, but now I've got that sorted out, and now I've been able to get it to read just by cleaning the laser. So I'll yank the power out of here so I don't zap myself. And if we take this cover off here, I'm going with the assumption that you have been able to disassemble this completely yourself. What I found was the drive would originally get stuck about here and wouldn't move any further. So what was going on there, if I move My Name is Earl Season 2, was that this particular cog here had snapped. And for me to be able to get to that cog, I had to take out the drive tray here, take out this motor here, take out this cog here, and then from there I could get to it. And I was able to rotate just fine from there, as you can see here. Where previously that wasn't rotating at all, that was loose and wobbly and going all over the place. So with that resolved, from there, it still wouldn't read. So what did I do next? I used some isopropyl alcohol and just a soft microfiber cloth. And I just put a small little drop on there, and then I used the cloth just to wipe it around and repeated that twice. And from there, I've been able to read My Name is Earl, Season 3, Disc 2, and also been able to read, if I've got it floating around here, this one, Halo 2 multiplayer pack, mainly just because that's all I've got on hand floating around at this point in time. And it was able to read that and complain that there was no Xbox hard drive connected. So anyway, if you are experiencing disk read errors with this variety of Xbox, or potentially other ones, maybe even opening it up and giving it a clean with some isopropyl may be your solution. Hope this helps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.